Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Did you know that diabetes is also called a silent killer? So I am here to explain you about the disease called diabetes mellitus. Diabetes is not just about the high blood sugar level, but it is also about how your body reacts when insulin in the body doesn't work properly. So without any further delay, let's look out the disease called diabetes mellitus. According to WHO, that is World Health Organization, diabetes mellitus is defined as a characteristic disorder with hyperglycemic state of the individual with the disturbance in carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism. Diabetes is a leading cause of illness and death. Approximately 1% population suffer from diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is a dangerous disease because it involves severe complications like blindness in the adult, gangrene of lower body part. Gangrene means death or necrosis of tissues of the body, and main important effect is renal failure, that is kidney damage. So the diabetes mellitus is considered as a major severe health problem. Diabetes mellitus has two types. First is a type 1 diabetes mellitus and second is type 2 diabetes mellitus. Now let's focus on type 1 diabetes mellitus. So type 1 diabetes mellitus is also called as juvenile onset diabetes mellitus because it occurs at younger age, so it is called juvenile onset diabetes mellitus. It is also called insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Why insulin dependent? Because the particular person or individual is totally depend on insulin replacement as a treatment, so it is called as insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Approximately 10% people suffer from diabetes mellitus, means if 100% people having diabetes mellitus, then out of that 10% is suffering from type 1 diabetes mellitus. So this is for type 1 diabetes mellitus. Now let's see type 2 diabetes mellitus. Type 2 diabetes mellitus occurs in 80% cases, means if 100% population is affected from diabetes mellitus, then out of that 80% are of type 2 diabetes mellitus. It is generally occurs in adult patient or adult age, so it is also called a maturity onset diabetes mellitus. But nowadays this type of diabetes is also occurring in obese children. So this is for type 2 diabetes mellitus. Another type of diabetes mellitus is gestational diabetes mellitus, which occurs during pregnancy. About 4% pregnant women are suffering from gestational diabetes. This diabetes happens due to metabolic changes occurs in the body during pregnancy, but these changes can revert back to the normal, means glycemia can be controlled, revert back to the normal once the delivery is occur, means once the women give birth to the children. This gestational diabetes can be revert back, but sometimes there are chances that these women will develop permanent diabetes mellitus, that is permanent gestational diabetes mellitus. So this is how diabetes mellitus occurs in the body. So what are the treatment for diabetes mellitus? What is the pathogenesis of this diabetes mellitus, means how this diabetes mellitus occur? We will see this information in the next video. Stay tuned for more such information. Thanks for watching.